In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to restore an old image. And the tool that we're going to use is this one, novoads.ai. The link is going to be in the comment section. So once you arrive here, we need to create an account. And after that, you will arrive here. Here, we need to go to the image section. Now we have to click in reference. And now I'm going to upload an image of Charlie Chaplin. Now let's click here. Now we have to go to settings, change the model to GPT Image 2. Here, I prefer to use the medium quality because it's 3 times cheaper than the high quality and the quality is really similar. And that way we can create 3 images and not just one, and then choose the one we like the most. So now we have to paste this prompt that is going to be in the comment section. And now we have to click this button. Perfect, now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect, here we have the images. And as you can see, the quality is amazing. Here we see with a little bit of zoom. So if you want to try this tool, you can do it for just $1. Remember that the prompt is going to be in the comment section. And well, see you in the next video.